Wish you all a very happy new year 2025. My name is Mohit Ahuja. I am your friend and a fellow photographer. यार आज से एक नया साल शुरू हो रहा है, एक पूरा साल जिसमें इतनी सारी नई पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है, इतनी सारी नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज, सो मच मोर वर्क, सो मच मोर फन दैट हैज़ टू बी डन. कितना ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है ना. और आज एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा फन सीरीज ऑफ डेज को शुरू करने के लिए, जो एक पूरा नया साल शुरू हो रहा है उसको शुरू करने के लिए, आई थॉट आई ट्रोल माई सेल्फ. या यू हर्ड दैट राइट, आई ट्रोल माई सेल्फ. जो ये जेनजी की भाषा है, वट इट ऑल्सो मीन्स इज आई मेक फन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. वाई वुड आई डू दैट दो? बिकॉज देर इज अ मैसेज फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू बैक रफली 20 years. 20 years is a very long time. But what I want you to see is what very few people would show you. Very few people would tell you, admit to it that, this is what we've done back in the day. तो आज मैं आपको पीछे ले जाना चाहता हूँ, 20 साल पीछे, to show you the very first images I took. ये उन दिनों की बात है जब कैमरा भी नहीं होता था यार. मोबाइल फ़ोन्स में कैमरा तो बहुत दूर की बात है, प्रॉपर कैमरा भी नहीं होता था. वी हैड वॉट यू कॉल अ पॉइंट एंड शूट कैमरा. वो जो होते हैं ना छोटे वाले, बस उठाओ, फोटो खींचो, एंड दैट्स इट. कोई ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं, नथिंग. बिफोर ऑल दी स्मार्टफोन्स केम इन, दोज वर द कैमराज, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट आई हैड, विच ऑल्सो आई हैड बोरोड फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंड. तो जो जर्नी थी वो कुछ ऐसी थी. अभी जैसा दिख रहा हूँ, हाउ आई लुक नाउ वर्सेज हाउ आई यूज्ड टू लुक देन, you'll find a major difference. Just look at these pictures. As these pictures start, you will see that there is a major difference in the person I am today and the person I was then. I didn't even have a beard. I had a lot more hair on my head. And photography करने का ना कुछ पता भी नहीं था क्यों करा था शुरू. सिर्फ ये था कि यार हमें गिटार बजाना आता नहीं था. And you had to do something to impress the girls around you. You know how we do it for the women? All the women would understand this. You get all their attention. So the reason even I started photography was, it was cool. We thought we'll do something. We started taking shots. We started taking just anything and everything, just trying to look cool. There was a graveyard near my college. We used to go and stand there to take these, what we used to call concept shots. घर पे हूँ, बाथरूम में हूँ, तो बाथरूम में मिरर में एक फ़ोटो लेकर के कुछ ऊपर से खून से लथपथ बना दी फोटो, जस्ट टू मेक इट लुक कूल. देयर इज दैट रेबेलियन, नो, देयर इज दैट यंग ब्लड वाला फीलिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू समथिंग. लुक एट योर ओन बाइक, टेक योर ओन पिक्चर्स, जस्ट स्ट्राइक पोजेस. डजंट मीन एनीथिंग, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. इट डिड नॉट मीन एनीथिंग टू मी देन. आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू लुक कूल, एज आई सेड. सिर्फ अच्छा लगने की कोशिश थी. And what I would call, this was all purely drama that I was doing. I was just playing around. I was just having fun. For example, just look at this image, sitting with all those books, with one book in my hand, pretending to read. If my dad would look at this, he would tell me कि बेटा इतनी किताबें पढ़ी होती ना. Like if really I would have studied all those books, I would be somewhere else today. But no complaints. I love what I'm doing. I'm inclined more towards the creative side, and that is what I'm doing, and no regrets to that. Just look at all these images. Just striking a pose. If you have a religious pendant, just putting that in your hand and taking a picture as if I'm praying. Standing on the bike and just posing, trying to look all, badass. Photoshop नया सीखा था, what Adobe Photoshop. And playing around with a dagger, trying to, create concepts. It is very bad photography, to be honest. I would call this very bad photography. When we got to college, the very first thing we used to understand was, okay, studio lights आ गई, अब इनको यूज़ कैसे करना है नहीं आता. तो कोई भी दोस्त को पकड़ा, मुंह पे पेंट करा, जोकर बनाया. So one joker is in front of the camera and one joker is behind the camera. And the fun part was, because there was such a big identity crisis, you would see a very bad watermark bang in the middle of the image. फोटो के बीचों बीच गंदा सा वाटरमार्क है. कौन करता है यार? यही सब करते 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 शुरू करी है फोटोग्राफी. कोई नहीं दिखाता आपको, कोई नहीं बताता कि हमने भी गलतियां करी हैं, हमने भी बहुत बुरा काम करा है. मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, मैंने बहुत बुरा काम करा है. The very first, the very initial images were just a lot of bad images. The only thing I think I'm thankful about is that I was enjoying it. Now, why am I showing you all of this today? Why am I risking looking like a complete idiot when I can, sit and look all intelligent and say all fancy things, sound all hunky dory about photography and how it's such a great thing to do? Why am I doing this? So this is for everyone who's watching this video right now, whether you're a parent, whether you're a student, whether you're a teacher yourself, whether you're a photographer, whether you're not even sure if you like photography or not, and not just photography. Today's thought behind the shot, and the shot is the shot that you have at life. एक लाइफ मिली है यार, पूरा साल अभी आगे पड़ा है, इसके बाद कितना जाने कितने साल है. There's so much left to do. And the only thing I want to share through today's video is that I have also made mistakes, and everyone does that, whether they admit it or not. There's going to be a lot of bad work that you will do, but just enjoy it and just keep doing it. You never know when, कब वो कहते हैं ना सरस्वती ज़बान पे बैठ जाती है, कब वो रास्ता दिख जाए और सही डायरेक्शन में काम निकल जाए, आपको खुद पता नहीं लगेगा. So here I am with the very first video of 2025, showing you all the bad pictures possible, but with a good message. All I would say is just enjoy the process, just love the process, and just keep doing it, even if the results are bad. Someday the bad will become good, and then it will become the best. And someday you will look back and laugh at your work, and you'll wonder that, शुरू तो बहुत बुरा किया था, लेकिन जहाँ पहुँच गए मज़ा आ गया. And then today when I look back at these pictures, today when I look at these pictures, I find them funny, no doubt. But I'm thankful I did all of these stupid dramas, because had I not done that, I wouldn't be sitting here in front of you today and talking about how bad my photography was and where I've reached, and I'm thankful for it. This is me, Mohit Ahuja, signing off. See you in the next episode of Thought Behind the Shot. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share it with anyone who may need it. And do tell me how you find the videos. Wishing you a very happy new year once again. God bless you. Stay happy. Keep clicking pictures. Keep expressing yourself in whatever art form you can. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.